Hello guys, Angry Birds 2017 here, and today we are going to be talking about this bop it. So, of course, this is the bop it I bought from Walmart for about $8 yesterday. And you guys just heard the sounds, I was playing it. And yeah, it's from the background, I just heard it. Excuse me, you guys heard it in my live stream yesterday. So, if you guys missed the stream, then of course, you can go ahead and just click on the card or on this in the description, depending. And there's no option for that to be in the card option, then I'll put it in the link description below to check it out. So now, enough talking. Let's go over with this little bop it machine. So, of course, this is the micro series bop it I have. So yeah, it's the micro series of the bop it. So, of course, because of that, it only has 3 commands. For that one, they just have to remove the shout-out command. So that was pretty disappointing right there. So I'd rather just prefer Bop It XT. So, of course, Bop It XT is the biggest bop it I've ever seen in my life. Is because it has an enormous size and it has 6 commands: twist it, bop it, pull it, shake it, spin it, and last but not least is flick it. So, of course, I wish I had that, but unfortunately I don't have that around with me. So yeah. So now let's go over what this is. So of course, this bop it machine, whatever I call it. So it has only 3 commands. You got bop it, twist it, and pull it. Yeah. And of course, it's just the colors, except for the bop it button, it's black. But while some of the wider models have a white bop it button, but for that one, it's a black unit and it has a black bop it button. So yeah, but while the pulling knob and the twist commands of these is, yeah, they're both the exact same story with the exact same color, while twist is still yellow and the pull is still blue. So, of course, unlike some of the other models, the only way that you could turn it on, instead of, I think you could hit bop it to turn it on, with this unit it doesn't do that. So the only way that you could turn it on is pull this blue knob. Solo. And there it is. Yellow is where you adjust how the volume is. Blasting. And then of course, yeah, blast it for high. Quiet is for low. Loud is for medium. I'll go with blasting. Blast it, which means it's high volume so that some of you guys can hear it better. Bump it to start. Better. Then this blue knob chooses what mode. Passive. Passive means it's a multiplayer game. Solo. Solo is just a single player game. And there's a bop it button. Bop it to start. And it begins. High score 53. 53. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Twist it. It's hard to do it on camera. Twist it. Bop it. Yeah, so I don't know, so yeah, forget about that shit. So, yeah, sorry I like curse right there, so I just bleeped it there, so that way I don't want to get, like, community guidelines and all that stuff. So, since I was out for a little bit, it shut down already, so let me just do this. Score 53. I said this is gonna be difficult on camera. Wow. Score 3. I score 53. Pull it. Come on, I just did this.
Bop it. Score 6. Tie. Score
I should not do
53.
that.
Pull it. Pull it. Bop it. Twist it.
Alright.
Pull it. Bop it. Twist it. Twist it. Bop it. Bop it. Pull it. Yeah.
Wow.
Hello. Score 12. Blasting.
I don't know if she did that. I forgot to mention that.
Tie. Score 53. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Twist it. Twist it. Bop it. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Twist it. Pull it. Pull it. Bop it. Bop it. Pull it. Twist it. Bop it. Bop it. Bop it. Pull it. Twist it. Pull it. Pull it. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Bop it. Pull it. Pull it. Twist it. Twist it. Oh,
Wow.
too fast for you. Score 33.
33, wow. My best was 56 during the
Bop
stream.
it to start.
So I'll just let it say I'm going to sleep.
I'm going to sleep.
Here it is, so yeah. I'm gonna end the video here, so sorry that this video was a little short, so thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos of mine. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And also, I have my adventures video posted with a new tab, and it has extras and announcements, so you guys can look up about some extras and even as well as some good announcements. So, see you guys.